Hey guys, Aditya here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's review is for all my gamer friends. Today I have brought a very special product from R8 which is 1035 mechanical keyboard. So let's first discuss about its packing. So the packing is made quite attractive. It gets in black and red combination. You get a R8 logo, the model number written, and a RGB essence which looks quite premium. This is the product. It's a professional gaming mechanical keyboard. So here are its features. Its features. It's a professional gaming keyboard. It is a mechanical keyboard. It gets a RGB lights and 26 keys without conflict, which I will be talking further in the video. So in back of the keyboard you get the function combination of this keyboard and the lighting effect switches. So we will be talking this. So it's a made in China keyboard and it supports in Windows as well as Mac. So now let's quickly unbox the product. So when you first unbox the product, you get the covering like thing. So let's take out the product from the covering. So the packing contains our keyboard and the instruction manual. So this instruction manual also gives a display about the function keys given in this keyboard and the lighting setups, which will be talking later. So talking about the keyboard, this keyboard has a quite great feel and you can just listen the sound. This feels quite premium. So the letters written in the keyboard keys also are too much stylish. So first let me quickly show the RGB lights in this keyboard. So changing the RGB lights, you can check this function key. This RGB lights activate when you start typing the keyboard. You can just check this out. Now whenever I leave typing, the lights will be turned off, and whenever I will start typing, the lights will be again turned on. So it gets 7 different colors. So the first one red, then pink, blue, green, orange, and then LED. Changing the RGB lights is simple, just function and incense. This is the breath mode. So in each mode it changes its change the sequence of the light. So again I will click. You can check this out. Now 2-3 colors are coming at the same time. Now again changing. First, then this one, this, and the whole RGB light. You can check this out. They have a function to on all the lights. So this is quite nice. And the switches are of good quality. You can check the RGB lights color from the back of the keyboard. It gets a number pad with it, which is quite premium. You get a R8 badging again. So talking about the back of the keyboard, so this keyboard gets a rubber treatment which helps in provide resistance from scratches. You get legs in this keyboard which can make you feel comfortable while you are working or playing games. So it becomes in a little tilt surface, and when you close this legs it becomes straight. So this is kind of cool thing. And now talking about the wire provided in the keyboard. So this wire is of good quality. You get a rubber material in the wire which is kind of flexible, as you can check this out. The USB covering is quite attractive and stylish. The connection between the keyboard and is also made very strong, and this keyboard is not flexible. The build quality is very good. You can check this out. I am moving this keyboard very hard, but nothing is happening to this keyboard. So talking about the typing experience, it is quite good in typing as well as in playing games. So now let's talk about some of its function. So we have altogether 12 function buttons. So talking about the F1 button, so this F1 button this F1 to F12 is all for gaming purpose. So talking about this, the F2 button is for decreasing the volume, F3 is for increasing the volume. So for activating this function, you need to press the function key and then the respected key which you need. So function key is required for changing into volume and other things. So the F2 is for the volume decreasing, F3 is for volume increasing, F4 is for mute, F5 is for stop. This is for gaming purpose. F6 is for previous changing into previous song. F7 is for playing and pausing the song. F8 for changing the song next. F9 opens the mail. F10 is to go to home. F11 to my computer, and F12 for F12 is for calculator. And when you press the function and W button, then this kind of arrow key activates in WSAD. This is for gaming purpose. So the overall all the RGB lights and other function of this keyboard are great in this price range. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So let's meet in our next video. Till that, bye bye.